Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here I am once again with another video series on how to design a counseling services website with WordPress and Elementor website builder. Okay, this is not a e-commerce website but basic informative website. Yeah, it will have online booking, yeah, reservation form, yeah, but it does not have payment options, not online payment or e-commerce service, but simple reservation or yeah. And this will be also 5 pages website: home, about us, services, a blog, and contact. And one thing here, we will experiment mobile header. We'll design with mobile header. By mobile header I mean, yeah, uh, the page title of the page will be here in the header itself, not in the breadcrumb area or the hero section area. Like here, for example, about us, title of the page is here, but in the mobile, yeah, this title will be here in the header itself. And navigation menu will be not the horizontal menu but of canvas menu with with 3 dots here on the right side. When I click on this icon, menu icon, it will, yeah, slide in of canvas menu. And on the left side you will have home icon that will lead to home page. Okay, that's the major difference we will have in this video series. Okay, and for the content, inside content, apart from the header, we will follow most of the layout from this template, yeah, counseling services template. Okay, and here I have installed WordPress 5.8. yeah, this is new version or latest version of WordPress. And I have also installed all the required plugins, 5 plugins: Elementor free, Elementor header, footer and builder, Zag Elementor kit, matte form, sticky header effects for Elementor. Okay, these are all 5 popular free plugins. And for the theme, we'll use default Elementor 2021 theme. Okay, so okay, let's create pages. The home page, instead of calling it home page, we will call the name of the company. For example, here I will call it Counseling Services. This is the name of the company, Counseling Services Limited. Okay, Elementor full white. Publish. Okay, let's add another new. About us, Elementor full white. Publish. Add new. Services, Elementor full white. Publish. Next one is blog. Of course, blog is very important. Elementor full white. Publish. Last one is contact us. Elementor full white. Publish. Okay, go to appearance, menus. Okay, create a menu, call it primary menu or main menu, and okay, and add your menu items, the pages you have created. Home menu, home page, you can link to this URL, or you can link to this home page. Counseling Services Limited, this is a home page. You can insert it as the menu item, or you can insert directly the home URL, index URL. Okay, can take us at the last, about us at the second place, blog at the last but one. Okay, save menu. Okay, then go to settings, general, change the tagline, number one, counseling services company in Manipur, substances. Then reading, set static page, select the home page, Counseling Services Limited, save changes, permanent links, post name, save changes. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, here services. For the services, if you want, do you want to have detailed services page or not? Here, go to services page and let's see it. This layout, yeah, this grid layout, it is displaying the services, types of services provided by this company. And if you have detailed services page, you can link to this uh, icon box or content box. When someone click on here or here, it can link to the detailed services page. For example, this couple therapy, you can lead to couple therapy page. Okay, and blog unit, yeah, in inner contents, we need two inner types of contents or post types for these services and blog. Okay, here go to categories, edit this, change it to blog, that category. Another is services. And if you do not have detailed data, detailed data to, yeah, for these types of services, you just want to list only the simple description about the types of services, then avoid creating detailed pages. For example, yeah, I have found many of my clients do not provide much information about the website they want to create about their small companies. Yeah, so I have to I have to write myself the details of the description of these services and all. I have to gather images. In that case of scenario, when you do not have much information data to design the website, it is not recommended, it is not desirable to have detailed pages for these services tabs. Okay, so yeah, so I assume that I do not have much information about these types of services, so let's avoid it. Only let's create the blog post. So let's contact it new blog post. 5 methods to avoid depression. Elementor provide picture image. Let's go to honestplus.com. Depression. Small. Even we can choose try medium size. Size is not that much large. It's only about 150 MB, the KB. 300 KB. Okay. And excerpt. Go to lipsum.com. Then let's copy this excerpt. Okay, publish it. Oh, sorry, we don't forget to select the category. Okay, by default is blog. Okay, fine. Now let's add another new like that. Create sample post, about 6 sample blog posts to populate your layout. Okay, then methods to reduce stress. Okay, publish it just like that. Okay, continue to add all the blog posts, at least 6. Okay, see you in the next video. In the next video, let's start designing the header, footer, and the rest of the contents of the website. Okay, before you watch the next video part, don't forget to create the sample post. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, leave your feedbacks, comments. See you in the next video.